उनकी गाड़ी को धुलवाने की जरूरत है।
Their car needs washing. Their car needs washing.
उनका घर आरामदेह है।
Their house is cozy. Their house is cozy.
उनका कुत्ता जोर से भौंकता है।
Their dog barks loudly. Their dog barks loudly.
उनकी गाड़ी को धुलवाने की जरूरत है।
Their car needs washing.
उनका घर आरामदेह है।
Their house is cozy.
उनका कुत्ता जोर से भौंकता है।
Their dog barks loudly.
उनका मंसूबा गलत हो गया।
Their plan went wrong. Their plan went wrong.
उनकी टीम ने दोबारा जीत हासिल की।
Their team won again. Their team won again.
उनकी परवाज़ मुअख्खर हो गई।
Their flight was delayed. Their flight was delayed.
उनका मंसूबा गलत हो गया।
Their plan went wrong.
उनकी टीम ने दोबारा जीत हासिल की।
Their team won again.
उनकी परवाज़ मुअख्खर हो गई।
Their flight was delayed.
उनका खाना बहुत मज़ेदार है।
Their food tastes great. Their food tastes great.
उनके फ़ोन बज रहे हैं।
Their phones are ringing. Their phones are ringing.
उनका ख्याल ठोस लगता है।
Their idea seems solid. Their idea seems solid.
उनका खाना बहुत मज़ेदार है।
Their food tastes great.
उनके फ़ोन बज रहे हैं।
Their phones are ringing.
उनका ख्याल ठोस लगता है।
Their idea seems solid.
उनका काम मुकम्मल हो गया है।
Their work is done. Their work is done.
उनकी आवाज़ें इकट्ठी हो रही हैं।
Their voices overlap. Their voices overlap.
उनकी नज़रें मुख्तसर तौर पर मिले।
Their eyes met briefly. Their eyes met briefly.
उनका काम मुकम्मल हो गया है।
Their work is done.
उनकी आवाज़ें इकट्ठी हो रही हैं।
Their voices overlap.
उनकी नज़रें मुख्तसर तौर पर मिले।
Their eyes met briefly.
उनके बस्ते भारी हैं।
Their bags are heavy. Their bags are heavy.
उनका मकसद पूरा हो गया।
Their goal was achieved. Their goal was achieved.
उनके कपड़े नए लगते हैं।
Their clothes look new. Their clothes look new.
उनके बस्ते भारी हैं।
Their bags are heavy.
उनका मकसद पूरा हो गया।
Their goal was achieved.
उनके कपड़े नए लगते हैं।
Their clothes look new.
उनकी बलि ऊपर चढ़ गई।
Their cat climbed up. Their cat climbed up.
उनका मौत तेजी से बदल गया.
Their mood shifted quickly. Their mood shifted quickly.
उनकी काफी ठंडी हो गई.
Their coffee got cold. Their coffee got cold.
उनकी बलि ऊपर चढ़ गई.
Their cat climbed up.
उनका मौत तेजी से बदल गया.
Their mood shifted quickly.
उनकी काफी ठंडी हो गई.
Their coffee got cold.
उनके जूते तंग महसूस होते हैं.
Their shoes feel tight. Their shoes feel tight.
उनकी घड़ी चलना बंद कर गई.
Their watch stopped working. Their watch stopped working.
उनके जूते तंग महसूस होते हैं.
Their shoes feel tight.
उनकी घड़ी चलना बंद कर गई.
Their watch stopped working.